I know what you may be thinking. Seems like a lot, right? Cut out carbs, eat more fats, get into ketosis, burn fat for fuel, not to mention worrying about that nasty keto flu, all the while remembering to test your ketone levels and making sure you get in enough electrolytes. And honestly, that is why I'm here. I want to make sure your transition into the keto lifestyle is as simple as possible. That's what the Keto Kickstart is all about. I've already created the workouts and the meal plans that are going to help you unlock your fat burning potential. But now I want to give you something extra special that's going to help guarantee you maximize your results. It is the Team Keto Essentials Stack. These supplements will do the hard work for you. They'll help curb those cravings, keep you in ketosis, producing more ketones and burning fat for fuel. They'll bring you the benefits without the nasty keto flu, all right? And they'll help ensure you're getting the right nutrients to crush the ketogenic fat loss. In other words, they'll help cut out needless suffering and simplify your success. The Team Keto Essentials Stack includes fuel, an exogenous ketone drink, and C8 MCT oil powder. These are what I use, and they're what I recommend. In fact, I've even helped design the formulas, so you know you're getting the absolute best, all right? Don't struggle through ketosis. Give yourself the support you deserve. Simplify your success. I promise you, you will not find better ketogenic support than right here with Team Keto.